Welcome YouTube, and in today's video we're going to review this GTX 750Ti by Gigabit 1GB variant overclocked, not overclocked, it's a Ti which is basically overclocked by the factory and comes with a base frequency of 1020 MHz with a boost of 1085 MHz and a total of 620 CUDA cores. Yeah, that's awesome. It can hold many of the AAA title games with a quite low settings and a 1080p resolution. Comes with the 2 DVI ports and 2 HDMI ports with the support of 4K screen resolution. Yeah, that's very cool with the 4K screen resolution, and surely it cannot hold that game, but it comes with a 4K display resolution, which is good single fan TI. Yeah, that's all. Let's get in the video. Okay, so now the time has come to put this graphic card into this crappy PC that i5 650 is sitting inside this motherboard. Let's put this right like this. Yeah. So if you need to match the pattern of the slot with the pattern of the bus. Yeah, this bus. Put it right like this inside this case. Yeah, actually it was almost 6 months ago. I was actually ordering a GT 710. Yeah, that graphic card sucks. Don't even talk about it. I was ordering on the last day. I cancelled it because of some videos. It just suggested me to buy this second-hand GTX 750Ti, which was life-saving because my life would be dreadful with that GT 710. It's hard to put this right in. It's required some energy, but not a lot because it can damage the slot, which is the PCI Express slot. Hold the graphic card and put this clip, which actually saves the graphic card from falling by damaging the slot. Yeah, by damaging the slot. Yeah. So our graphic card is halfway installed, and as you know, it has a 6-pin connector which required a external power supply directly from the PC, not by the main motherboard, because it's heavy, and heavy graphic card requires a external cable that's present here. Just gonna tight it, and here we go. Our graphic card is installed. Now let's put the case right back on it. Yeah, like this. Fully this. And now let's put the screws. And also, this is my second video, so make sure to like and subscribe because it motivates me a lot to make more videos like this. And also, with the support of you guys, I can do many things. Also, don't forget to screw this. Don't forget to put this screw on the graphic card, or it may damage the graphic card. It may fall from its slot and damage your computer as well as your graphic card. It's very important point. I'm not going to screw it full because the screw is quite big from the slot at it, guys, and I don't have any time to go outside due to coronavirus. And yeah, so now it's installed, and next video I will give the pen spot.